Engraving. Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion 360 CNC programming tutorial video. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for home Mac and wiki CNC machines using Fusion 360. Okay, this is a requested video. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you how I engrave this cat. Okay, I'm also going to show you how I imported this image into Fusion 360, what uh, file type it was. Okay, so let me exit simulation. Okay, you see the image of the cat. Okay, right on top of the panel, the wood panel. So I'm going to start from the beginning. Okay, I'm going to show you actually I'm going to show you what operation I use to engrave this image of this cat. So let me click on this arrow and I use engrave. You can also use you can also use 2D contour, but I'll show you I'm gonna show you the differences between the two, okay? So let me create a new design and I'm just gonna draw a square. So I'm gonna hit R on my keyboard for rectangle and I'm gonna select this bottom plane. I'm gonna stamp it right there. I'm gonna drag it to the right. I'm gonna type 20 by 20. So I work in inches. I'm in the US. Okay, so 20 by 20. All right, that's the size of my panel. I'm gonna finish sketch. I'm gonna select extrude, and my panel is gonna be 0.75 inches thick. Operation, new component. Click OK. Now I have my panel created. Now I want to import that CAD file and put it right on top of this. Actually, on the face of this wood panel. All right. So I'm gonna use DXF because it is a DXF file. So I'm gonna say DXF. I'm gonna select this plane right here, actually the top face of the wood panel. Select that. I have it selected. Okay. Now I have to select DXF file. Click on this folder. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna select from my computer, and I have it right here. It's a DXF file. Okay. The units. I'm gonna go from millimeter to inch. But I got multiple files. But I just want to engrave the cat the image of the cat. Okay. But I got more animals here. All right. So I'm gonna put it on top view. I'm gonna rotate it. I'm gonna grab this arrow to the right. I'm gonna place the image right there, and I'm gonna click OK. You see that's the distance that I moved the file. It's 9 inches in X. So I'm gonna click OK. So give it some time. Now it says computer started, so just give it a minute. Okay, so it depends on how fast your computer is. Okay, so I got kicked out of Fusion 360. Let's go back in it. Okay, so I got all these files right here. So depending on how many points you have, how big the file is, it's going to take longer. And also, it depends on your computer, how fast your computer is. Okay, so I want to delete these points here. I don't want these points. I want to delete the other images, and that's going to speed up my It's actually going to speed up Fusion 360. Okay, so let's go to sketches. I'm gonna click this arrow, and I'm gonna select this right here. That's the sketch. Right click, edit sketch. Okay. Now I'm in the 2D sketch workspace. Now I'm gonna get rid of these points right here. So I'm gonna go right here. You see my sketch palette on the right? I'm gonna uncheck points. There you go. Now I'm gonna start selecting the rest of the images. Okay, and start deleting them. So I'm gonna hit delete. key on my keyboard, delete. Okay. Windows select this, delete. I'm going to select this image right here, right about there. I don't want to get the ear, the cat. Delete. I'm going to select this right here, delete. Select that ear, select this, select that. Windows select this, and this, and lastly, that. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, now I'm going to finish sketch. You know, I'm not going to throw my sketch because I need it to program this in the manufacturer workspace. So I'm gonna turn it back on. Okay. If I want to make changes to it, I can just select the 2D sketch, right click, edit sketch. See, it's way faster now. See that? Let me finish sketch. Let's go to manufacturer workspace. Okay, I'm gonna click on the home icon. Okay, and I'm gonna create a new setup. Okay, my Z axis is it's gonna be this top face, which is selected already. My Y axis is gonna be this edge, and I'm gonna go down to box point. Mine's gonna be right there. This is my 0, 0 on that machine. Yours might be on the bottom on your bottom left corner. Okay, it depends on the machine. All right, so my model is already selected for me. I'm gonna go to stock. I'm not adding the material. Post process. I'm gonna name this engraving underscore tutorial. No comment. I'm gonna click OK. There's my setup. Okay, now I'm gonna select 2D contour. Actually engrave, which I have right here. If you don't have the icon here, just click on this arrow, select engrave. Actually, click on these three dots and check pin to toolbar, and then you're gonna have the icon right there. Okay, so I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna select my tool. I'm gonna go to wiki tool library, change for engraving. I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay, got all my fusion speed set up for that tool, geometry. I'm gonna start selecting the profiles, but sometimes the component or the panel um sometimes it gets in the way, so I'm gonna turn this off. So let's go to models, click on this arrow, turn off component. Okay, now I'm gonna start selecting the profiles. See, I'm trying to window select everything, but let me see if I can um go from select to window select. Let me see if I can do it. Window select everything. I can't. That really sucks. Okay, oops. Let's turn this component back off. What if I use freeform selection? Okay. Oops, let's go back. All right. So let's go to engrave. Sorry about that. Select the tool, the 90-degree bit, and yeah, I can window select everything. So I'm gonna have to select each profile at a time. So I'll select this. Okay. Okay. Still selecting. We get the eye. Okay. Okay, and I choose the last one. Okay, I got everything selected. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna simulate, right click simulate. Okay, this is what I'm getting. Okay. And if you don't want this, see the depth of cut, if you want that to be that deep, I can modify that. So I mean right click, edit, and let me go to heights. So that's almost 5/16. Okay, that's kind of deep. Let's make this, let's go maybe 1/8. So this is where you control the depth of cut right here under bottom height. Okay, so I'm gonna go down 1/8. So minus 0.125. Okay, let me just check under passes. I'm not making any changes here. Keep tool down is checked. Okay, let's click OK. I'm gonna right click, simulate. Okay, I like this better. Okay, if you only you don't want to see you don't want to see the operation, you can go to where it says colorization. Clicking this arrow, select material. I can turn off actually it's off. My component is off. If I turn it back on, that's fine. I don't see any changes. Can we put it on top view? Okay, that looks nice. Okay. Let me exit the simulation and let me use the 2D counter. You'll see the differences between the two. Okay. So I have engrave selected on a right click. Excuse me, right click. And I'm gonna create the right operation to the milling to the contour, and I'm gonna click OK. And I'm getting a warning, so I'm gonna click on this yellow icon, this triangle. So the contour was not machined because the given lead parameters will cause a collision. So how do I fix that? Right click, edit. I'm gonna go to linking tab. I'm gonna check leading and lead out. I'm just gonna plunge. Click OK. Okay, I'm still getting this warning. So right click, edit, geometry, heights, passes. I'm gonna check chamfer. What else do I have to do here? Let me click OK. Okay, there you have it. Put this on top of you. But you see, it's not getting the entire. See, on every single profile, it's not getting the entire profile. See that? So if I let me suppress this engrave toolpath. So right click, suppress. Yes. I'm gonna simulate the 2D contour. Right click, simulate. It's not. See, the tool's not getting to it's not getting to every corner of each profile. See that? So I don't like this. So I'm gonna have to make my depth of cut a lot smaller. Okay, if I want to use a 2D contour, but it's not recommended. I'm just showing you the differences between the two. So I'm gonna go to height and let me make this. I'm gonna go down minus 0.0 um 3. Enter. Okay, right click, simulate. Okay, you see that? I get a better I get a much better engrave. See that? But I wouldn't use 2D contour for engraving. You know, I will use engrave operation all the time for engraving. Okay, so let me suppress this. Right click, suppress. I'm gonna select engrave. Right click. I'm gonna uncheck suppress. I'm gonna have to regenerate toolpath. Right click. Um, generate toolpath. There you have it. Generate. Sorry. Okay, there you go. Okay, if you want to see the panel, you just turn it back on. Okay, I'm gonna right click simulate this one more time. Okay, now if you have like a smaller picture and you want to want better better details, you're better off using like a 60-degree vivid or a 30-degree vivid. So right now I'm using a 45 degree. This is what I have. I don't really use this to be honest though. I just have it there just in case I need it. Um, I program a lot of cabinet parts and countertops, and you guys been watching my videos on my channel, so I don't really do engraving, but this is the operation that I will use to engrave like a picture on a piece of wood or like plastic or even metal. Okay, but this one looks really nice though. Let's post process this program and open it up in Woodwall 5.0. Okay, let's see how it looks like in Woodwall 5.0. Right click, post process. Okay, I'm gonna select the inch Woodwall post processor. Okay, I got the right folder selected and I'm gonna post it. Let's go to Woodwall 5.0, file, open, go to a folder, tutorials. Okay, okay, the size of the file is gonna be big, so if I'm going to open this program or load it on that machine that I program at work, which is an old machine, it's going to take some time for this program to load. So let me open it up here. It should be quick because my computer is kind of fast. Okay, let's give some time. Okay, there it is. All right, I can make this the size of this file smaller. Let's go back to Fusion 360. Right click, edit, my tolerance. Let me type 0.3. I'm gonna type mm for millimeters. This is um this is like the best one that I use for that machine. It's an old machine, so it gives me it brings down the size of the file. Okay, since I'm working in inches, I'm typing mm for millimeters. So I'm gonna click OK. Then okay, so I didn't check the size of the file before I made the changes, but now the size of the file is gonna be a lot smaller. It's not gonna be this. It's gonna be maybe like 150, almost 200 KB. So let me post process this program. Post process, post. Yes, I want to overwrite it to Woodwall 5.0. File, open. Okay, 116. That's very close to what I have in Fusion 360. Really close. Okay, that's nice. Go back to Fusion Woodwall 5.0. Let's open it up. All right, and there you have it, guys. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for this video. That's all I wanted to show you. And if you guys enjoy and like this video, if you guys learn anything from this video, just put a like, drop a comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. All right, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you all. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.